blade sharpened on this sharpening machine. First, we have to understand here. This is a big one, about 2 centimeters, and sharpening by this big motor. And here, this is a small edge. You see here, small edge. This is sharpened by the small motor. Next, we install the circular blade on the machine. 双面刀就是无所谓，先一捏一捏是吧？单面刀就是单面不用磨。
单面不用磨这个大斜面。
Then lock the screw. 双刀完成了啊。
上轮嘛。然后呢，你要把这个地方松掉。
First we have to loosen this part.
松开之后，这个往前。
This handle is moving this forward, so the motor is get closer to the blade big edge.
那往前，然后这个往那边走，因为刀比较小。
This handle is moving this right, moving this right.
然后这个角度。
So now we are moving to this grinding disc. So this edge is parallel with this big slope, like this. So actually there's no fixed angle for the sharpening machine.
这个面贴紧。
So now we just make the this grinding disc and this edge.
现在是贴紧的。
Touching this big edge. 就整个是贴住它，是吧？
对，贴紧。
OK。
贴紧好之后，这个要缩紧。
And then we lock this bar.
还这边这个也一样缩紧。
Also lock the left side bar.
对。
然后下一步就可以。Next thing, we have to move this grinding disc a little bit backward because when this grinding disc totally touch this big edge, it's impossible to sharpen the blade. So we have to leave a little bit gap between this one and this one. So now they are parallel. Just a little bit gap is okay. Now it's to go to the switch. So this is the whole, the power switch.
这个是调速的。
This is for speed control. And this is for the right side, the small edge sharpening use. And this one is for the water spring. And this one is for the big edge sharpening. Okay, so now first we open the power switch. See, the machine already started to move. And this one is for the right small edge, so no need to open this one. And also open this one. So start to spray water. And also this one for the big one.
然后磨的时候，这个地方速度转上去之后，这个地方再挨住了，再往里面靠嘛，然后慢慢的靠。
If we find the gap is big, so we just slowly move this forward. You only hear the sound. How it's working. And if we want to sharpen the small edge, the right side, the small motor. So first thing we have to do is power off this machine, and then manually move this backward. Move this backward. Okay. And then we turn to the right side.
现在是这个面，这个面怎么先这个地方进到进去。
Move this handle forward. The disc is getting closer and closer to the blade. 也是让它先贴住吗？
对啊，这个地方先松开嘛，一样的，也要松开的嘛。
那解释。So we move this small motor. So you may ask how to fix the angle. Actually, there's no fixed value for the angle. We just manually, move this one and just keep watching till this one, the small grinding disc. This grinding disc, this edge is parallel with this small edge. So that's enough.
那最好就是这个要缩紧。
Also lock this part.
然后再退回来，退回来这个就开始了。
还要是要推回来一点。
对，你不退回来一点的话，因为它这个把它启动不了。
Also move it a little bit backward. Okay, open this power switch and the small edge, and also this one for the water spray. But this one not open for the right motion.
然后这个再慢慢的进，再慢慢的进到。
And we manually move the blade forward. 就是知道听到那个声音嘛，we hear it down. So now it's